Unlock a new level of user engagement and site navigation by mastering the versatile drop-down menu in Webflow. Let's dive in. First, we'll add the core elements in the Webflow designer. Grab a drop-down element from the Add panel. This is our starting point. You'll notice the drop-down is made of three main parts: the trigger, the list, and the item. The trigger is what the user clicks to open the menu, like a button or a link. Select the drop-down trigger and style it to perfectly match your brand. This could be text, an icon, or even a small button. Next, the drop-down list is the container that holds all your menu options. You can adjust its size, padding, and background to make it visually appealing. Now, let's populate our drop-down drag link block elements into the drop-down list. Each link block will represent an individual menu option. Style each link block just like you would any other link on your site. A circumflex euros. Set the text, font, and even add hover states for a dynamic feel. Create as many link block items as you need to house all your navigation links or content categories. Remember, organization is key for user experience. Once your drop-down structure is complete, position it where you want it to appear on your page. You can adjust its placement using standard Webflow layout tools. And there you have it, a fully functional and custom-designed drop-down menu, ready to enhance your website's navigation and guide your users to exactly what they're looking for. Mastering this essential UI element boosts navigation and user engagement on your Webflow site. Webflow drop-down UI UX.